Sip, sip, hooray! Sip, sip, hooray! I love my coffee mug crazy setup. I'll put the link down below so you know what the heck I'm talking about. So I had to double down. I am back with another, well, we're going to find out what it is. We're also going to have a moment of silence because this is technically, just a minute, I need to recover. This is technically not an unboxing. I don't want to name any names, but a box came to the house. Somebody opened it. It wasn't me. But it is sort of still an unboxing because I didn't open this one, I promise. You just have to take my word for it. Husband opened something and then realized right away that he shouldn't have opened it. But anyways, lucky for us, there was a secondary box. Holtz leather, check it out. Made in America. Let's get in here. I don't need a knife because, well, we're gonna let that one go. But anyways, if you watched my Valentine's Day edition, you know I was like just crazy too excited about my thing. And so look at this. It's just cute and it's so fun and I love, love, love having it, and I actually think it does have a purpose because it makes holding my travel mug less slippy. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is my 20-ounce Yeti, and check it out. Look at that. And then I have my straw with my silencer crazy setup. But that's it. It's such a fun conversation piece when you're out and about with this on the train to work, whatever, getting your coffee from Starbucks. You're not slipping by without somebody asking you about it, so it's kind of a fun conversation starter. This is Holtz leather. Thank you so much for watching.
I just think
It's so cute.